What is this? Stapler. Stapler. What is this? Staple. Staple. What is this? Sharpener. Sharpener. What is this? Folder. Folder. What is this? Paperclip. Paperclip. What is this? Correction tape. Correction tape. What is this? Calculator. Calculator. What is this? Highlighter. Highlighter. What is this? Refill. Refill. What is this? Glue stick. Glue stick.
What is this? Pencil. Pencil. What is this? Fountain pen. Fountain pen. What is this? Ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen. What is this? Rollerball pen. Rollerball pen. What is this? Gel pen. Gel pen. What is this? Highlighter. Highlighter. What is this? Crayon. Crayon. What is this? Marker. Marker. What is this? Paintbrush. Paintbrush. What is this? Propelling pencil. Mechanical pencil. What is this? Writing brush. Writing brush. What is this? Ink. Ink. What is this? Ruler. Ruler. What is this? Refill. Refill. What is this? Correction fluid. Correction fluid. What is this? Correction tape. Correction tape. What is this? Glue stick. Glue stick. What is this? Rubber. Eraser. What is this? Sharpener. Sharpener. What is this? Pencil case. Pencil case. What is this? Scissors. Scissors. What is this? Inkstone. Inkstone. What is this? Binder clip. Binder clip. What is this? Paper clip. Paper clip. What is this? Chalk. Chalk. What is this? Drawing pin. Thumbtack. Pushpin. What is this? Clipboard. Clipboard. What is this? Rubber band. Rubber band. What is this? Bookend. Bookend. What is this? Envelope. Envelope. What is this? Sticky note. Sticky note. What is this? Label. Label. What is this? Sellotape. Scotch tape. What is this? Folder. Folder. What is this? Notebook. Notebook. What is this? Double-sided tape. Double-sided tape. What is this? Binder. Binder. What is this? Protractor. Protractor. What is this? Set square. Set square. What is this? Compass. Compass.
What is this?
Tape measure.
What is this?
Screwdriver.
What is this?
Screw.
What is this?
Hammer.
What is this?
Nail.
What is this?
Saw.
What is this?
Electric drill.
What is this?
Scissors.
What is this?
Pliers.
What is this?
Crescent wrench.
What is this?
Spanner.
What is this?
Shovel.
What is this?
Paint roller.
What is this?
Axe.
What is this?
Utility knife.
What is this?
Flashlight.
What is this?
Stepladder.
What is this?
Safety helmet.
以上就是今天的全部内容，希望大家喜欢。我们下一部影片再见，感谢大家的收看、订阅、点赞和转发。